Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today we will do review 3. Start with the vocabulary. Choose the correct option. The opposite of satisfied is option A, unsatisfied, option B, insatisfied, option C, non-satisfied, option D, dissatisfied. The opposite word is unsatisfied. Choose the correct spelling. The word is convolution. Correct option A. Sentence 3. Which of the following means the same as gradually? That is steadily. Sentence 4. Which of the following does not mean same as the manifold? Option is few. Option B is the correct option. Second part of our review is grammar part. Choose the correct option. The teacher said to us, work hard. We have to choose the correct passive option. When the teacher is saying to the students, then she is advising them. And here she is advising to work hard. So the correct option will be the option C. The teacher advised us to work hard. Which of the following is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which help to make a complete sentence. It is of no use is a complete sentence. He is a well is a sentence. In an unwise manner is a correct option. It is a phrase. Beside the ungathered rice he lay. Beside the ungathered rice, the options are adjective phrase. Adjective phrase is a group of words that does the work of an adjective. Here, beside is not doing its job as an adjective. Noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of noun. Beside again here is not working as a noun. Adverb phrase again is a group of words that does the work of a adverb. Besides the ungathered rice, beside is not working as a adverb because it is not explaining anything. So it is a prepositional phrase as beside is a preposition. He led a life devoid of blame. He led a life devoid of blame is a adjective phrase. The moment which is lost forever. We have to identify the pronoun. Indefinite pronoun when something is not definite as someone, anyone, no one. Reflexive pronoun, actions return to the subject, himself, herself, ourself, themselves. That will form reflexive pronoun. Possessive pronouns shows the possession, my, ours, mine, hers. Relative pronoun which is used to relate sentences, which is used as a connector. So which is a relative pronoun here? It is relating the sentence, the moment, and that which is lost. So the which is a relative pronoun. Why don't you go along dash your brother? Why do you have to use a preposition to, with, by or for? Here the appropriate word is with. The government has levied some taxes dash the salary structure has not been improved. Here in this sentence one thing has done, the other is not, they have been appropriate to that. So the government has levied some taxes, but the salary structure has not been improved. One action has been done by the government and the other action has not been performed. Next sentence, That was the reason why he came late. That is a adjective clause. He came when the night had fallen. It is a adverb of condition, time, place or reason. Here when, it is time, when night had fallen. They can stay where they are. It is where, it is a adverb of place. I am glad that you like it. That, it is an adverb of reason. If I were you, I should not do that. If I were you, this is condition type 2. Now I will help you once again to identify the three types of conditional sentences.